When it comes to making healthy, delicious meals quickly, this Midea Air Fryer 5.5 quart with see-through window and Heatexpress Rapid Air Technology is a game changer. Whether you're trying to reduce your oil intake, speed up meal prep, or cook gourmet meals with minimal effort, this air fryer has it all. Packed with innovative features and user-friendly controls, this appliance is designed to elevate your cooking experience. Let's dive into the details and see why the Midea Air Fryer is a must-have addition to your kitchen. Upon unboxing the Midea Air Fryer, the first thing that catches your attention is its sleek, modern design. 5.5 quart capacity is ideal for small to medium-sized families, and the compact size means it won't take up too much space on your countertop. See-through window is a standout feature, allowing you to monitor your food as it cooks. No more guessing or constantly opening the basket to check on your meal. This air fryer exudes quality, with a durable metallic interior and easy-to-use digital controls that make cooking a breeze. The overall design is minimalist and chic, with an intuitive touchscreen control panel on the front. You'll also appreciate the non-stick cooking basket, which is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. As someone who values convenience and efficiency in the kitchen, these thoughtful design elements are a huge win. One of the key highlights of the Midea Air Fryer is its patented Heatexpress Rapid Air Technology. This feature ensures that your food is cooked evenly and quickly by optimizing airflow convection. The result? Crispy, golden perfection on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside, without the need for excessive oil. You can indulge in your favorite fried foods like French fries, chicken wings, and onion rings, but with up to 90% less fat. This makes it an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals who want to enjoy delicious meals without compromising on flavor. Imagine being able to prepare a meal in half the time it would take using traditional cooking methods, all while reducing your calorie intake. Whether you're air frying, grilling, roasting, or baking, the Midea Air Fryer delivers consistently great results that are sure to impress. Cooking with the Midea Air Fryer couldn't be easier, thanks to its 9 preset menu options. Whether you're in the mood for grilled chicken, baked goods, roasted vegetables, crispy French fries, there's a preset for every occasion. These one-touch controls take the guesswork out of cooking, allowing you to create restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of your own home. But the customization doesn't stop there. The Midea Air Fryer also features a +1 minute button, which allows you to easily add extra cooking time without having to reset the entire process. This flexibility ensures that your food is cooked to perfection, even if you need just a little more time. Plus, with the favorite function, you can save your most used settings for future use, making it even easier to whip up your favorite recipe. These presets and customizable settings make the Midea Air Fryer a versatile kitchen tool that can handle a wide variety of cooking tasks. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or simply preparing a quick weeknight meal, this air fryer has you covered. One of the most innovative features of the Midea Air Fryer is the see-through window. This allows you to monitor your food as it cooks without having to open the basket. It's a small feature, but one that makes a big difference in ensuring your meals turn out exactly how you want them. No more guessing or relying on timers. Just a quick glance through the window and you'll know if your food is done to perfection. This feature is especially useful when you're cooking delicate items like fish or baked goods, where overcooking can easily ruin the dish. With the Midea Air Fryer, you can keep an eye on your food at all times, ensuring that everything comes out just right. This ease of cleaning makes the Midea Air Fryer an attractive option for busy individuals or families who don't want to spend a lot of time on kitchen cleanup. It's also a great feature for those who live in apartments or dorms where space and time are at a premium. Despite its large 5.5 quart capacity, the Midea Air Fryer has a compact design that fits perfectly in any kitchen. Whether you have a spacious countertop or a small kitchen, this air fryer won't take up too much space. Its durable metallic interior and sleek exterior design also make it a stylish addition to your kitchen appliance. The air fryer's robust build ensures it will last for years, making it a worthy investment for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking game. And with its variety of functions and ease of use, it's a kitchen tool that will quickly become your go-to for a wide range of meals. The final verdict: why you need the Midea Air Fryer. If you're looking for a versatile, efficient, and stylish kitchen appliance that can help you create healthy and delicious meals in less time, the Midea Air Fryer 5.5 Quart is a fantastic choice. With its Heatexpress Rapid Air Technology, 9 preset menu options, and see-through window, this air fryer offers everything you need to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a busy professional, a health-conscious individual, or someone who simply loves to cook, Midea Air Fryer will make your life in the kitchen more convenient and fun. Its user-friendly design, easy-to-clean components, and reliable performance make it a standout product in the world of air fryers. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.